Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be doing a review of the Glacier Breeze AC, a completely honest review. So I saw this post and I thought let's do this. So first we'll go over the pros and then cons. Now the first pro, it is portable, it is compact, it is a lightweight unit, it makes it easy to carry around to different locations like a desk or a bedside table. And you do get targeted cooling because when you're sitting directly in front of it, the unit does blow a stream of cooler air and it can provide some personal relief on a hot day. And now we'll go over the cons because, first of all, this is not a real AC. This is the most common complaint you would see about this, okay? Because this is just a swamp cooler or an evaporative cooler. It's not an AC. It simply passes air over a water soaked filter, which doesn't remove heat from a room. It actually ends up adding humidity because if it's a humid environment, this device can make the air feel muggy and more uncomfortable. And for a fan, this is expensive. It's an overpriced fan with a water tray. The cooling effect is very minimal and only works for a very small personal space. And it also does have a poor ice and water management, okay? Because the ice and water melt and need to be refilled frequently. It makes it impractical for long term use. So, in short, this is just a personal evaporative cooler at best. If you're looking to cool an entire room or a tent, this device will not work. It's a only a viable option if you have realistic expectations and you only need a small direct blast of cool air for a short period of time. And if you appreciate the honesty, you found this review helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.